In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. If you've been looking for a way to easily redirect your emails to another account, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward, so by the end of this video, you'll have email forwarding set up perfectly. Let's begin by opening Google Chrome and heading over to Gmail. Look to the top right corner of your Gmail interface and you should see a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. Now to access the full range of options, select See All Settings. This will open a new page where you can modify various aspects of your Gmail account. With the settings page open, focus your attention on the tabs at the top. Find the tab labeled Forwarding and Pop IMAP and click on it. This particular section is where you can manage how your emails are forwarded and retrieved via different protocols. Now, within the forwarding section, there's an option to add a forwarding address. Click on that to begin the process of specifying where you want your emails to be sent. You'll see a prompt asking you to enter the email address you'd like your messages forwarded to. Type in the email address carefully. Accuracy here is crucial to ensure your emails are directed to the correct place. Once you've entered the address, click Next and then Proceed when the confirmation prompt appears, followed by OK to finalize this step. At this point, Gmail will send a verification email to the address you provided. The next step is to verify that email address. Head over to the forwarding email account and sign in. Look for an email from Gmail that contains the subject line Gmail forwarding confirmation. Open this email and click on the confirmation link inside. By doing this, you're authorizing Gmail to forward emails to this address, ensuring added security and authorization. After verification, return to your original Gmail account and navigate back to Settings, then the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. You'll now see an option to forward a copy of incoming mail. Select this option and choose the verified forwarding address from the drop-down menu. It's important to decide what you want Gmail to do with the original message once it's forwarded. You can choose to keep a copy of the email in the inbox, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it entirely. Make your selection based on your personal preference and how you intend to manage your emails. Finally, click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page to confirm all your settings. And there you have it, your Gmail forwarding is now set up. This straightforward process allows you to manage your emails efficiently, whether you're consolidating accounts or simply want to ensure you're receiving messages in one central location. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.